Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Nexon Finance. This is a BIP testnet and I'm going to explain you why it's free and it's a possible airdrop for the project. We are going to cover, like always, the step-by-step on how to apply to this airdrop. And if you want to subscribe to my Discord or my application to register airdrops, you can do it here on my website, cryptocurrencystate.net/subscription. Go and check here how my app works. It's a video on how my app will help you to register and apply to all the airdrops that we do and your custom airdrops. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, remember that you have the link on the description for the airdrop organizer, and here you can see all the different airdrops that we already have been covering, and here you have my videos and my step-by-steps with the link for the different projects. And also there's a tab here with the projects update. I did a project review of all the projects that I did the airdrop. You can check that also for free here. What are the news regarding the airdrop distribution or regarding the last updates. So you can go in the link on the description to the airdrop organizer and check all the projects and all the updates that I have been covering in the YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover Nexon Finance. This is a lend and borrow crypto asset with Nexon more efficiently than any existing solution on the market. And this is thanks for the first decentralized lending protocol on Zikai Sync. So Nexon Finance runs on Zikai Sync. We have been covering Zikai Sync also. You can do the different videos here for apply for the airdrop. It's in my airdrop organizer. And if you have the subscription of my application, all my different airdrops appear automatically on the application. So you just go there and start to click to apply on each of them. I almost don't do this video about Nexon. I thought that the testnet was ended, but I have a confirmation yesterday on the Discord channel that we may have another phase for the testnet. And how is this? Well, this is because if you go to the testnet.nexon.finance, you need to register to get a chance to go into the testnet. So this testnet is only for 10,000 users per batch, and they already have been doing 2 batches. So you can go and check here. For example, they announced that the phase 2 has another 10,000 users that have been invited to test the app. So in order to be invited here, you need to come here, connect your wallet, register, click here on this link, register yourself, and you need to complete these steps, which are following in Twitter, following on Discord, and tweet about them. And after that, you are going to be able to, with your connected wallet, send this form in order to be able to get into the next phase of the testnet. So going to the step-by-step, the first is follow them on Twitter. The second step is join the Discord. You have the link here. Remember that you are going to find all this step-by-step on my website. Each time that I post a video on my YouTube channel, we also have a post on my website with a step-by-step on all the airdrops that we are doing. So everything is here on my website. So after following on Twitter and Discord, you need to go to the testnet page and register, just like I show you here. So you go to the link there on my post and complete these steps. That will give you the possibility to be in the next batch. But you can see here, for example, this was on December 22, where we have another batch. And you click there, you can see that they send all the addresses that are actually applying here. In this case it's 10,000. So in case that you're not sure if you already apply, you can just search your wallet here and see if you apply. Once that you apply for the testnet, you just need to go to the website of the testnet and you will be able to enter. So right now we actually cannot do the step on the testnet, just register, but I recommend you to do it in case that you want to participate here. Then you have some tasks on Crew 3. So here is the link for the Crew 3 of Nexon. So like always, you can see all the different steps that you need to do. There's only a couple. I just did 3 tasks, and you can see here that the leaderboard only has 8 quests done with 120 experience points. So that is seems to be the max amount right now. So it's really easy to complete. You can do it in 30 minutes, something like that. And then in step 5, you need to get this Believer NFT, and this you need to do it before the 10th of January. So today is 9. If you are seeing this video after the 10th of January, check the link, but probably you are not going to be able to get the NFT. And this NFT probably has some importance. I cannot confirm that you can get the airdrop or not after. But if you are still on time, go to the link here on the Nexon 5 Galaxy campaign, and you can see here you need to retweet this, like this tweet, be a Twitter follower, and have a connection on the Discord Nexo Finance. And doing that in the Polygon network, you are going to be able to get this OAT. This is the NBeliever. So I think this NFT is important. 25,000 people already have it, and there's 2 more days. Like I say, I am not sure, I couldn't confirm that this is actually what will differentiate the people that get an airdrop or not. But if that is the case, you can see that only 25,000 are going to be eligible. Anyways, if you are still on time, just go here, complete these steps, get your NFT, complete the crew 3, follow them of course in Twitter and Discord, and complete the registration here for Nexon to be able to test the application in the next phase. So we are still on time for doing that. I just had the confirmation yesterday. I thought that we were late here, but no, actually we are not late. And the last step is stay tuned on Discord for the new announcements on the next testers. So here you have a link for the announcement of the Discord. Check there, they are going to announce when the next phase for the testers start. And if you register now, you probably are going to be in that list, in a list like this with the 10,000 next testers. So guys, that is all for Nexo Finance, really direct to the point. I like it that it's running in CK Sync, so you are going to have transactions when you do the testnet for CK Sync too. And that will be all for the video, guys. Remember, before believe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Follow me in Twitter, guys, at CryptoSeaState, because there I post more stuff about different airdrops. For example, this NFT of the Swinem series. This is running on the Sui DevNet, and you could get this NFT. You were follow me in Twitter or in my Discord subscription. So not always I am posting everything in the YouTube videos, so I recommend you to follow me in Twitter here if you want to be up to date to everything there. And I also did some technical analysis on HBAR that I posted in my Discord and here free in Twitter, where you can see that we are actually in an interesting zone for HBAR, and the RSI was oversold of the last 2 years. We have an oversold target here already accomplished. So I post a lot of things on Twitter, so remember to follow me at CryptoSeaState. That will be all, guys, and I see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.